So yeah, let us look at the word the complementary angle. Like we are done with what? Trig ratio identity. So the next aspect now is what? Complementary what? Complementary angle. So what are the complementary angle? So the two angles are what? Are complementary if their sum is what? Is 90 degree. That is what? If the sum of what? Of angle is equal to what? 90 degree, the angle is what? Is what? Is complementary. Take for instance now, we have a what? A triangle like this. This side is what? Is right angle, angle 90. I mean, and assume that what? The angle theta here, this is theta, the angle theta face what? This side. And if this place is what? Is 90, and this place is what? Is theta, what will be the what? This side, this angle here. You know, here is 90. Sum of this angle here is what? Is 90 degree. Abi? And here is what? Is theta. The remaining side here, it will be what? 90 minus what? Minus theta. I said what? If this place is theta, so this side is what? 90 minus what? Minus theta. Because the sum of angle here is what? Is 90 degree. So if this place is what? Is 30, here will be what? 30 minus 90, which is what? 60 degree. Good. Abi? Let us now say what? This side, even at what? This side, let me call it what? A. This B is what? Is B. This place is what? Is C. So for this angle here, this A serve as what? As opposite. This B serve as what? As adjacent. Good. But for this what? This one, yeah, this B is what? Is opposite. And this A here serve as what? As adjacent for this angle. Yes. And this C is still remain hypotenuse for what? For the two angle. This C is still what? Hypotenuse for what? For the two angle. Here now, let us now find what? The show what? For this triangle now. So now for sin theta, say do it this way. For what? Sin theta, or no, let me say what? For angle what? Angle theta. This for angle what? Theta. Let me look for what happened for triangle theta. Here, sine angle of theta is equal to the what? Opposite over what? Hypotenuse. And the sine angle of what? Of theta is equal to the what? What is opposite? Equal to the what? A over what? C. This is what? For sin theta. So the next one, let me look for what? Cos what? Cos theta will be A over hypotenuse will be adjacent over what? Hypotenuse. What happened now? Cos theta will be what? B over what? Over C. And the third one is tan. The third one is what? Is tan. Tan theta is equal to what? Adjacent over what? 2. Opposite over adjacent. You now have tan what? Tan theta should be equal to what? A over C. No, 2. A over B. We have A B. Good. Let me bring this thing out. This is definition for sin theta, definition for cos theta, definition for what? For tan theta. And the next thing that I will do now is what? Let me find for what? For angle 90 minus what? Theta. Let us find for this one. For this 90 minus theta now, what happened to what? To sine. Sin theta is opposite over what? Hypotenuse. We now have what? Sine theta. What is opposite? B over what? Over C. Sorry. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to the what? Opposite over hypotenuse. We now have sine 90 theta. What is opposite for this? 90 minus theta is B. We have what? B over what? Over C. Now, what will be the what? Cos 90 minus theta. This is cos, it will be what? Car. Adjacent over what? Hypotenuse, which is AC. It should be what? A. It will be, let me write it first. Adjacent what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. To give us what? Cos 90 minus theta, which is what? A what? AC. The third one, it will be what? Tan. The tan 90 minus theta, it will be what? B over A. So tan 90 minus theta will be equal to what? 12. Let me say opposite over adjacent, which is what? B over what? Over A. Good. We can now see that what? From this now, this is cos, this is what? Tan. Yes. Let me now try to what? To perform one little experiment here. My sin theta here, sin what? Sine angle of theta is equal to what? A over C, right? A over C. But look at what? The sine in the angle of 90 minus theta. Which of the three give us what? Give me A over what? Over C. Which of the three? It will be what? Cos. Abi? So cos 90 minus theta gives us what? A over C. You now have what? Cos what? 90 minus theta is equal to the what? See that what? This sine theta is A over C. This cos what? Cos 90 minus theta equal to what? A over C. Therefore, sin theta equal to the what? Cos 90 minus theta, which is written as what? A over what? Over C. Therefore, in complementary angle, sine angle of theta will be equal to the what? Cos 90 minus what? Minus theta. Please, this formula is very essential. Very, very. So for the second one now, let us look at what? Cos. My cos of theta is equal to what? B over C. In here, the only sine 90 minus theta give me what? B over C. Therefore, cos what? Theta equal to the what? Sine 90 minus what? Theta, which is equal to the what? B over what? Over C. Good. Therefore, now we can have what? Cos theta should be what? Sine angle of 90 minus what? Theta. So this is what? The formula for what? For cos theta. The last one is what? Tan theta. We know that tan theta here give us what? A over what? Over B. Abi, you now observe that what? The tan of 90 minus theta to give us what? B over what? Over C. B over A. This B over A is same thing as what? We can call it what? Cot what? 90 minus what? Theta. No, no, sorry. It give us what? A. But if I want to change what? This thing to be like this, it's like I will said what? 1 over tan 90 minus theta. It will be what? If I put 1 here now, it will be 1 over what? A. B over what? A. It will now later give me what? A. Now later it give me what? A over what? Over B. But we know that what? Reciprocal of tan 90 minus theta, it will give us what? Cot 90 minus what? Theta, which is what? A over what? Over B. Therefore, tan theta will be what? Cot 90 minus theta. Please add it to it. So, for tan what? Tan theta, it will be what? Cot 90 minus what? Minus theta. If you are giving what? Sec what? Sec theta. Let me put it here. Sec theta, it will be equal to the what? Cosec 90 minus what? Minus theta. This is the additional what? Formula. That is all about what? Complementary angle. So let me write out 5 questions here. Out of the 5, I will solve 3 as usual. You will solve the remaining 2 and put the answer in the comment section. I will solve 2 out of this question, so you help me to solve the what? The remaining 1. Now, let's go. Solution. We are given that what? Question number 1. That sine theta equal to what? Cos 35 degree. You have to solve. You can now say that what? From complementary angle, what is our sine? Let's say what? From complementary angle, recall that sine theta equal to the what? Cos of what? 90 minus theta. Since sine theta here is 35 degree, but from our complementary angle, we derive that what? The sine theta equal to the what? Cos of 90 minus theta. Yes, this sine is this sine is also this. Therefore, we can have what? Cos what? 90 minus theta equal to the what? Cos 35 degree. Since this sine is this sine is also this, you now equate the what? The 2 together like this. By equating them together, the cos will disappear. You now have what? 90 minus what? Theta equal to the what? 35 degree. 90 theta. By rearranging in the equation, you can have what? 90 degree minus or plus 35 equal to the what? Theta. At the end of the day, our theta will give us what? 100 and what? And 25 degree. That's the final answer for that one. Yes. Oh, there is a little mistake here. I collect the lifetimes here. Abi, cos cancel cos now. Collect the lifetimes here. This 30 will go here. It will be is minus. It will be minus. Sorry. The 30 will be what? Minus 30 minus this. It will give us what? 55. Yes. It will be what? 55 the what? Degree. The angle was less than 90 now. So the second question, we have what? The second question we are given 2 that cos x is equal to what? Sine of what? X plus 22 degrees C. Complementary angle. Yes, but we know that what? Our cos what? You can say that what? Recall from complementary angle that what is it? Cos angle of x is equal to the what? Sine angle of x 90 minus what? Theta. So since cos x is equal to what? This cos x is equal to what? This. You now equate the what? These two together. What we have next? We have what? Sine angle of what? Of 90 minus theta into the what? Sine angle of what? Of x plus 22 degree. Then the sine will be go now. You are left with what? 90 theta equal to the what? X plus what? 20 what? 22. But don't forget that what? Here, I'm using what? X. This place will also be what? X. It's not theta again. Sorry, it's not theta again. Yes. Yeah. Next thing is what? Collect the what? The last times. This will go here. You have 90 minus 22. Then the x will come here. It will come s plus what? X. If you add it together, 90 minus 22, it will give us what? 70, 60 what? 68. You have 68. 2 what? 2x. You now have x. It was 68 over what? Over 2. So 30 will be what? 34 degree. The same thing happened to what? To this and what? This. I believe you can solve the what? The remaining 2. So the next thing that we are going to, or let me solve the 3. Let me solve it. Yeah. Question number 3. We are giving what? Sine alpha equal to the what? Cos 3 alpha. Yes, if you are giving D like this now, where what? Recall from trig that our sine alpha is equal to the what? Cos 90 minus what? Alpha. So since sine is equal to this now, equate these two together. What we have now, we have cos 90 minus alpha equal to the what? Cos 3 alpha. We go like this. We have 90 minus alpha equal to the what? 3 alpha. We have 90 equal to the what? 3 alpha plus alpha. 90 equal to the what? 4 alpha. What will be the alpha? Alpha was 90 over what? Over 4? 45. So, this 4 going in 90. 2 in 90 is 45. 2 in 45 is 22.5. Abi? So the alpha will be what? 22.5 degree if I'm not mistaken. So please, you can help me to solve the last question. So the next aspect we are going to treat now is special angle ratio on trigonometry.